This is the video inspection of the 1995 Haas VF0. This is a 7,500 RPM spindle. We're going to go ahead and start it up right now. I got it at 3,000 RPMs. I've already done a pre-warm, so we'll go ahead and take it up to the full 7,500 RPMs. That's 3,000 RPMs. Here's 7,500. And we'll go ahead and go over to the handle jog. Let's see here real quick. We'll do the X axis right now. We'll go in with the Y. And then the Z. And then we'll go ahead and do a tool change. And I'll do it one more time. And we also have the chip conveyor, or chip auger. And we'll stop it, we'll go the other way for you. That's reverse. And we'll go ahead and take a walk around the machine. This machine is a 4th axis ready. It actually had a HRT 210 that was on it. It's also got Floppy and RS 232 on it. And we'll walk around the other side real quick so you can see the electrical cabinet. And this concludes the video inspection of the 1995 Haas VF0.